Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to talk about something that I saw in the charts yesterday on the deposit and the outflow from exchanges. So let's get into this video, and I'm going to turn this one off. So right here, this is what happened yesterday. I got an alert on my mobile phone, and the first thing that I did was I posted this onto my Telegram group. So guys, please join my Telegram. It's very informative, and I'm trying to get you guys there so you guys can see what I see, and you can literally start feeling the market. Also, a few guys have made some gains, so I'm pretty happy and proud on them. So congratulations. Now, yesterday I saw this deposit, the inflow of 14,000 BTC onto the exchanges. So that's a red alert. And also right here we had 7,800, and a little bit later we also saw 11,000. But now, if you go and you check the total reserve, then you can see that just from this spike, watch, we went all the way down to right here. So this is the outflow. This means that there is a lot of Bitcoin taken off of exchanges. I'm going to show you guys the outflow, the total outflow. So that should come up right here. And what you can see is that here we had that deposit 14,000 BTC, got put it onto exchanges, but now look what happened the exact same moment. You take the line right here, and you can see that 46,000 Bitcoin got taken off of exchanges. So that means that yes, they put it on like 15k and they withdrew 45k. So that's 30,000 Bitcoin that are taken off more than they are deposited onto the exchanges. And right here we had that deposit of 12,000 Bitcoin, and right here they withdrew 12,000 Bitcoin. So this is something that you really have to watch. Now, yes, we did see a drop, and that drop is certainly someone that sold a lot of Bitcoin. But here you can see that they put it on and they took 3 times as much off. So let me check this one. So here, this is the all exchanges reserve, and you can literally see that yesterday we had this drop right here. So that's pretty bullish for Bitcoin, because here you can see whenever they took Bitcoin off of exchange, the next day the price started to pump. Also here, all exchange net flow, you can see that whenever see this is taken off of exchanges, and every time they did this like this, the spike taking off of exchange and the price started to pump. They take off of exchange and the price pump, off, price pump. So that's just something that I want to show you guys. Now, yes, of course we did go down because this is the daily time frame, and we went all the way up to 40,500, and this was into my sell zone. But of course I didn't sold because I'm still thinking that this could be the next leg up into this bull run, as I showed you guys. So halving, pump, retrace to the 1.618 from the next the previous cycle. Then we get the spring line, and we have another few months of pumping. So that's really what I'm hoping to see right here. And if this is playing out, then my trades will simply explode. This is my trade on Binance. It's up 3,200. Yesterday I was up about 4,500. So guys, trading with leverage, it can go very fast. And this is my trade on Bybit. I'm up 1,200 right now, or 138%. So Yeah, if you guys want to trade on Bybit, then use the link in the description. You will get a bonus. I will show you where to get it. You go to promotions and then you go to reward hub, and then here you can simply click the claim now, claim now, claim now, and then you get that money for free. So let's get into the charts. We saw the total market cap. It's a little bit down. It's not too concerning for me right now. The total 2 is down a little bit harder, but I mean, this is nothing too concerned about. This is the Bitcoin dominance. As you can see, we broke out of this triangle to the upside. So that's not so good for the altcoins. We also see that the moving averages are coming closer again. So I'm going to watch this like a hawk because the 50 level is really a very important level. I'm going to show you why this is an important level. Here we have resistance, 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 support, 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 support. Here we had resistance, and then yeah. So what I'm thinking is that we're going to retest this 50 to then fall further down, so to give the altcoins another great leg up. And if that would be the case, then it's the exact same scenario that I saw in 2017, because from there, the second leg up, the altcoin simply exploded. Let me show. Oh, damn. I'm messing up. No. Okay, what am I messing up? No, I will fix it later. So the first leg up, it was most of the time Bitcoin, and of course the altcoins rose with it, but percentage-wise, Bitcoin went further than some altcoins. But it was the second leg up that the altcoins really started to explode. So I'm really hoping that that will be the case again, and yeah, we will see what it brings. So let's take a look at the shorts as the longs. These are the shorts. I'm going to take the 1 hour. So the shorts are going down. This is a very good sign, and the longs are going up a little bit. So yeah. About that, I had someone ask about the Bitcoin transaction here on FTX. So there was a deposit of 10,000 Bitcoin, but if you check the total, then you can simply see that's the total. Where is it now? Let me take this one. Straight a little bit. So this is the all exchanges reserve. So here you see that we dropped a lot. So this is bullish for Bitcoin. Now, does that mean that the price will rise? It should be. And yes, I know that we dropped, but there's probably a lot of Bitcoin put it onto exchanges that didn't get sold yet. So am I concerned? I'm not really concerned. I'm leaving my trades open. I'm in it from 30 to 2,600. So yes, it's frightening to see the price go down. Like yesterday, but that's not something that was unexpected because we were into this resistance. So see, it was resistance right here, it was resistance right here. So we tested it again, we failed. Probably we're going to try to test again and again and make some sort of upsloping triangle, something like this, and then we will do something like this: try, fail, try, retest, try, fail, something like that. Is it going to happen? No, I don't have a crystal ball, but it's something that I saw in the charts before. And oh wait, maybe I can go back to 2017 and watch it. Guys, let me try something. I'm just going to try. So we had the first leg up, we had the second leg up was at July, no, here at 2017, 15th July 2017. So I'm going to use, no, it's not going to work, 15th July 2017. So I'm going to back to 2017, 15th July, 15th of July. Okay. This is what we saw. What we saw back there was when that pump started, it pumped, it dropped. Let me check this. Let me take that price range. So this, it dropped to right here. That's a 7% drop. And the next one from the high to this low was a 18% drop. So let me check what the indicators did. So the RSI was oversold, and we had this trigger wave and a smaller wave. So now let's go to back here and check what. Oh, this can go very long. Just a second, guys. So we're right now here. So we also saw something like this. We got oversold. But here we didn't see a trigger wave, a small bump down and then further up. But we surely were also oversold on the 4 hour. So then we pumped, and now let's see how much percentage we lost yesterday from the high to the low. This is only 10%. So yeah, I got confidence in this, but it stays crypto, guys. So basically everything can happen, and I'm not too concerned about this because we simply saw a lot of Bitcoin flowing out of the market. So yeah, it's not looking too bad. Probably we're going to retest it again, and then until we blast through it, and then we have one big resistance, which should be this one. If you draw the line, this one, so we can break up like this and then see. So yeah, guys, this was it for this video. Oh, I can do something more. Let me find for divergences. So what I'm doing, I'm always scanning the time frames. So I use the daily to start with. Then we're still going up on this bullish divergence. This is very bullish. And the 12 hours, so starting to curve back down. The 8 hour is curving back down also, but the money flow is in the positive territory. The 4 hour, we see the money flow in the positive territory, so it's pretty great. Then the 1 hour, we see some, let's see, we had that bearish divergence. Look, guys, bearish divergence and going down. So yeah, and then the 13 and the 15 minute, but that's not so important. I'm not using these so often because it's the bigger time frames that are playing out the most. So if I'm trading, I'm most of the time using the bigger time frames. So guys, please like and subscribe to this video if you find these short videos handy, and please join my Telegram group. The link is in the description. Also, if you want to trade on Bybit, there are bonuses, as you can see. And again, guys, don't use too much leverage. If you're using like 5x leverage, that's more than enough. And I'm not encouraging you guys to use this. But as you can see, this is only a position for $900, and I'm up $1,300 US, so I'm up 140%. And those things are only possible with leverage trading, but you have to be very careful. You have to remember and know that these exchanges are giving leverage trading, because I know that 95% of the people are failing in trading and making profit. Also on Binance is the exact same thing. My margin was 3,800 and I used a 6x leverage. You can use it, see it right here. So my size was 26,000 US dollars total, and I'm up 3,200%, so $3,200 and 70% up. So please, guys, use my links. Also, if you want to join CryptoQuant, then you get a bonus if you use that link. And this thing really changed the way I was trading. So bye bye, and see you tomorrow.